Welcome back, everybody. High Tech Lab here. Quick update video. Here's what's going on. This is the shop up in Idaho where I do all my recording and stuff. Currently, I have a lift installed. To install this, I needed to put down some 3/4 inch steel base plates. These are anchored to the floor with 3/4 inch concrete anchors. I have 6 of them, and then in the plate is some studs. These are actually plow bolts that are key locking, and then I have grade 8 nuts to match the grade 8 bolts. Currently on the lift is my dually. The transmission is making some noise, but my recording station over here is kind of taken apart. I still need to get you guys the video on the capacity test of these Calb cells, but I just haven't finished that up yet. It's most of the way edited. I just need to do the actual screen recording showing the calculations of the capacity, but yeah, truck is on the lift. It's taken up a majority of the shop. This thing is a beast. It's about 25 feet long, and I have a matching steel plate on the other side that's anchored down the same way. And I just lifted the truck up a little bit, did some troubleshooting, ran it a little bit. So my goal, I was going to put these Calb cells and this inverter in my fifth wheel RV, but obviously having the truck as the tow vehicle for the RV would make that, you know, a little bit nicer so that I can actually work on it. And got a lot of work to do on the truck. The steering has a pile of play in it. I'm probably going to rebuild both front and rear differentials. I need to get new rear tires on it. I'm going to have to drop the transmission, it sounds like, based on the noises I was hearing today. It's still drivable. It still runs quite okay. But the noise is going to be a little bit scary if I were to put down a... But the noise is a little scary if I were to put a 16,000 pound RV behind it, so... But yeah, that's what I've been up to. In other words, I also ordered 80 of these Calb 180 amp hour cells, so those should be here in 3 to 4 weeks. I'm going to install them on the hill. I have a control panel I'm building over here. I can't show you inside, it's top secret. You'll have to stay tuned for the video on that. But I've got a lot of irons in the fire, a lot of stuff in the hopper, some fun stuff coming, so just want to let you guys know I haven't disappeared completely off the face of the earth, and that there's plenty of fun stuff coming. I'm also working on setting up a server computer. I need to get a lot better storage going because I'm, you know, all over the place with all this video. They're such big files, kind of a pain in the butt to keep track of all that. But progress is coming, slowly but surely. I'll keep you guys updated as it happens. See you guys in the next video. Bye.